Hello class, welcome back. Welcome back to your math classes. And kids, up to now we have completed addition, subtraction, conversion and multiplication of money. And we have seen that this is very much similar. Operations in money is very much similar with the case that we were doing in numbers. जिस तरह से numbers में हम करते थे almost उस तरह से ही हमें मनी में भी प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करना होता है. ओनली डिफरेंस इज दैट कि समटाइम वी हैव टू पुट पॉइंट एट वन प्लेस, एट समटाइम वी हैव टू पुट पॉइंट एट टू प्लेस. नाउ एट सम प्लेस वी हैव टू पुट पॉइंट एट पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट लाइक दिस. दिस इज द ओनली थिंग दैट वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. नाउ so as we have seen that multiplication, addition, subtraction, these all things are very much similar. Now today we will learn about division of money. Today we will learn how to divide rupees and paise. Today we will learn how to divide rupees and paise. Okay. So kids, tell me a thing. If here I am having a 20 rupees note, suppose this is a 20 rupees note. Okay, so yeah, this is a 20 rupees note. Now tell me kids, how many 10 rupees note will make 20 rupees note and how many 5 rupee coin will make 20 rupees. फिर से I am going to repeat my question. What you have to do, you have to tell me that how many 10 rupees you will need, how many 10 rupees you will need, how many 10 rupees you will need to make a 20 rupees, how many 10 rupees you will need to make a 20 rupee note. Yes? And then similarly you have to tell me how many 5 rupees note or 5 rupee coin you will require to make a 20 rupee note. Now think. So 20 rupees you have to make how much? You have to make 20 rupees. Okay? Chalo, guess. Okay, tell me 20 rupees. How many 10 rupees you will need? See. So here ma'am is having 20 rupees. See. अब यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि मैम के पास कितनी रुपीस है. See. 20 rupees. Here I am having 20 rupees. Okay. Now you have to tell me how many 10 rupees note will I need to make a 20 rupees. ठीक है, 20 rupees हो गया. अब how many 10 rupees note I will need? So I'll need, I guess, 10. I need 2 10 rupees note. See, I'll need 2 10 rupees note to make a 20 rupees. So this is what? This is 2 10 rupees note, and here I am having 1 20 rupees note. So are they equivalent? Are they both equal? Tell me kids. Here I am having 2 20 rupees note. Oh no. Here I am having 1 20 rupees note. Here I am having 2 10 rupees note. Are they both equal? Tell me. Yes, they both are equal. So what I have done, I have divided 1 20 rupees note. एक 20 rupees note को I have divided in 2 parts. 1 20 rupees note I have divided in 2 parts. So what I have done, I have divided this. I have divided this 20 rupees note in 2 parts. So here we came to know that we need 2 10 rupees to make a 20 rupees. Okay. Now next question is, how many 5 rupees will ma'am need? So first of all let us write. So 20 rupees, that means I'll need 2 10 rupees note. plus 10, I'll get 20. 10 rupees plus 10 rupees, I'll get 20 rupees. Now, next question is, how many 5 rupees coin will I need to make 20 rupees? See how many 5 rupees coin ma'am is having in her hand. Let me show it from there. How many 5 rupees coin are here? 2 golden coin and 2 silver coin. Total 4 coins. So let us count. Ouch, ouch, my coin. Okay, sure. Here I am having 5, 10, 15 and 20. So I will need 4 5 rupee coin. 4 coin of 5 rupees. See, that means 20 rupees. 120 rupees is equals to 2 10 rupees and 4 5 rupees. तो हमने क्या किया, एक ग्रेटर अमाउंट को दो छोटे छोटे अमाउंट में हमने क्या कर दिया, वी हैव डिवाइडेड देम, है ना, हमने उन्हें क्या कर दिया, हमने डिवाइड कर दिया. एक बड़ा अमाउंट 20 रुपीज़ था हमारे पास, फिर हमने उससे 2 10 रुपीज़ के नोट बना लिए एंड देन 4 5 रुपीज़ के नोट बना लिए. तो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज डिवीजन. डिवीजन मीन्स किसी चीज को इक्वल पार्ट्स में जब हम बांटते हैं. ओके, now let us move ahead, let us move toward the actual question. Okay, so here I am going to take a question, a very easy question. Suppose I have to divide, suppose I have to divide 28 rupees in 7 parts. What does it mean? Dividing 28 rupees in 7 parts. Suppose you are having 28 toffees. You are having total number of 28 toffees with you. Now, what happens? 7 of your friends came at your home. You are having total 28 toffee थी आपके पास. आपने क्या किया? 7 friends आपके घर पे आ गए and they were like, give me some toffees. Now question arises, how many toffee will you give to one of your friend? Each one of your friend, हर एक friend को आप कितनी toffee दोगे? This is the actual question, this is the real question, है ना? तो here what we will do, 28 rupees को हमें 7 parts में क्या करना है? Divide करना है ना? So let us divide. So we will make a division box. We will make a division box like this. We will write 28 in it and we will write 7 outside. Now count 7 का table such that you will get 28. 7 का table ऐसे count करिए you will get 28. Tell me the answer. Come on, count the table and tell me the answer. चलो tell me. 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 3, 7 1 जा 7 2 जा 7 3 जा 7 4 जा and 7 5 जा. Sorry. Tell me how many times you will count it? 1 2 3 4. So you will take it 4 times. Count it 4 times. So 7 4s we will get 28. 7 4s you will get 28. 28 minus 28 you will get 0. So now that means 28 rupees divided by 7, 28 rupees divided by 7 we will get 28 28 rupees divided by 7 we will get 4 rupees, है ना? This much is clear. Now let us do one more question. Now divide rupees 48 by 2. Come on, do it. You have to divide rupees 48 by 2. Completed? Because it is such an easy question. Okay, let us do. What we have to do? Let us divide. So we will make a division box. We'll write 48 in it, and we will write 2 outside. How many times I'll carry it? 2 1 ja 2, 2 2s are 4. Now it will give 4 minus 4. I'll get cross. I'll carry down 8 now. Now 2 के टेबल में 8 कितनी बार में? 2 के टेबल में 8 कितनी बार में बेटा? 2 के टेबल में 8 I'll get 4 times. So 2 4s are 8, and I will minus it. So my answer is rupees 24. My answer is rupees 24. Now 48 rupees divided by 2 will give me rupees 24. If I will have 48 rupees, and if I have to divide between 2 persons, then I'll give rupees 24 to each. 24 rupees to each of the person. Okay. Now moving toward our next example. Next example is divide ₹96 by 4. So this time you have to divide 96 rupees by 4. This time you have to divide 96 rupees by 4. Come on, do the division. Completed? Okay. Let us do. Make a division box. I'll write 96 in here. Write 4 outside it. Now 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So 9 is there. So I will take it 2 times. 4 2s are 8. I'll get 8. Then I write 8 below the 9 and I will subtract. 9 minus 8 I will get 1. I'll carry down this 6. Now 4 के टेबल में 16 how many times you will get? 4 के टेबल में 16. 4 1 जा 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, then 12, then 16, then 20. So we will get it 4 times. So 4 times. Okay. Subtract it. So 24. 96 will get divided by 4 in 24 times. So our answer will be rupees 24. Our answer will be rupees 24. Okay. Great. So these are some very simple questions that I am taking. Now the next question that I am going to take will be a bit harder for you to do. A bit harder only, not very much hard. So next question is rupees 112 by 8. Okay. Rupees 112 by 8. Chalo, come on, do it. Finish it, come on. Rupees 112, you have to divide it by 8. Let us do. Now 8 will see 11. So now अब 8 के टेबल में we don't get 11 in 8's table. So what we'll do? We'll count it one time. 8 ones 8. Now subtract it. Now count after 8 to get 11. 9, 10, 11. 3 times. So 11 minus 8 we will get 3. We'll carry down 2. Now do we get 32 in 8's table? Do we get 32 in 8's table? Yes. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. Now 2 minus 2 cross, 2 minus 3 cross. So our answer will be rupees 40. Okay. Now these are some of the very simple question. Now I'm going to take such a question where पैसा part will also be there. Okay. Now I'm going to take such a question जहाँ पे भाई क्या हो पैसा part भी हो. Okay. So let us take some question like that जहाँ पे हमें पैसा part भी मिले. Okay. Next is, so the next question I am going to take is divide 36 rupees and 36 paisa by 6. तो 36 rupees 36 पैसा you have to divide. Now जैसा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम करते थे, what we were doing in multiplication, in multiplication हम सिंपल डिवाइड कर देते थे, हाँ ना. हम क्या करते थे, हम सिंपल डिवाइड कर देते थे. देन हम क्या करते थे, टू प्लेस पे we used to put the point. Similarly we are going to do here also. We will do the simple division and then two place पे we will put a point. Let us do 36 divided by 36 rupees 36 paise divided by 6. So make a division box. Write 36.36 and divided by 6. So 6 का table we will carry count 6 times. So 6 6 we will get 6 के table में 36 how many times we will get? तो 6 के table में 36 we will get 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 6 3 जा 18, 6 4 जा 24, 6 5 जा 30 and 6 6 जा 36. Now 36 minus 36 will get a cross. Now forget about the point. You carry down this 3. Now we don't get 3 in 6 table, है ना? 6 के टेबल में हमें 3 नहीं मिलता. What we will do? We will तो हमें क्या करना है? We have to carry down both the number. So whenever we have to carry down both the number, we increase a 0. Now 36 again. So how many times? कितनी बार में 36 6 के टेबल में 36 how many times we will get? We will get it 6 times. So we will get it 6 times. 36 minus 36. Cross. So our answer is 606. Now what we have to do? Right side से 2 place पे we have to put a point. Right side से 2 place पे we have to put a point. Okay, so let us put a point. 1 2. Here we will put a point. So our answer is 6 rupees and 6 paise. Mind it, 6 paise, not 60 paise. ठीक है, इस बात का ध्यान रहे. 6 paise, not 60 paise. Okay, so now I am going to take one more question of this type only. The next question is ₹15 by 4. You have to divide 15 by 4. Now you guys suppose it as 1500 and divide it by 4. Come on, do the question. First make a division box. Write down 15 here. Then 0.00. Put a 4. Put 4 here. Now 4 के टेबल में 15. Do we get 4 के टेबल में 15? No, we don't get. So we'll count it. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16. See, 4 4 जा 16 क्या हो रहा है? 15 से ज्यादा हो जा रहा है. So we will carry it. 4 3 जा 12. 4 3s are 12. 15 minus 12 we will get. 15 minus 12 how much we will get? 15 minus 12 we will get 3. And then we will carry down this 0. Now 4 के टेबल में 30. Do we get 4 के टेबल में 30? No. So we will carry 4 7 जा 28. We will carry it 4 7s up. Now carry down this 2 0 again. Now 4 के टेबल में 5s up. We will get 20. Okay, see. Our answer is here 375. Our answer is 375. Now what we will do? Right place से 2 place पे we will put a point. Right side से 2 place पे we will put a point. So now our answer is rupees 3.75. Now our answer is rupees 3.75. 3.75, 3 rupees and 75 paise is our answer. Okay. Now let us take one more example. ₹37 80 paisa. This you have to divide by ₹37 and 80 paisa. This you have to divide by 7. ₹37 and 80 paisa. This you have to divide by 7. Come on, do it. Okay, so how we will do it? We will make a division box first of all. Okay, and this we have to divide with 7. Now 7 का टेबल ऐसा काउंट करना है so that we will get 37. 7 का टेबल we have to count like this so that we will get 37. Okay. Okay. Now 7 manjo 7. Let us write the table of 7. ठीक है. Let us do. So according to that table we will carry it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. We'll take it 5 times. So we'll take it 7, 5 35. We'll put a minus sign. 7 minus 5 will get 2 and 3 minus 3 will get cross. Now carry down 8. Now 7 के टेबल में 28 will get how many times? 7 के टेबल में 28 we will get how many times? 7 के टेबल में 28 we will get 4 times. Okay. And then we will carry down this 0 and we know 7 zeros are 0. So now from the right side 2 place पे we will put a point. तो यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर हो गया ₹5 40 पैसे. हमारा आंसर हो गया ₹5 and 40 पैसे. ओके. 37 रुपीज 80 पैसा को हमने डिवाइड करना था. 37 रुपीज 80 पैसे को हमने 7 से डिवाइड किया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने 5 टाइम्स हम लेके गए. पहले हम 5 टाइम्स लेके गए. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? देन 5 टाइम्स ले जाने के बाद हमारा रिमाइंडर 2 बचा. हमने 8 कैरी डाउन किया. 4 टाइम्स लेके गए 28 हमने क्रॉस किया. हमने एक 0 कैरी डाउन किया जो कि 0 हमारे डिविडेंड में था. उसको हमने नीचे कैरी डाउन किया. हमें पता है दैट 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 विल गिव अस 0. दैट मीन्स 7 zeros are 0. तो हम 0 टाइम्स लेके गए. यहाँ पे हमने 0 को क्रॉस कर दिया. ओके. Now kids, today we have done lots of example based on division of money, है ना. Today we have done lots of example based on division of the money. Now in our next class we will do the exercise question and some word problem. Okay. Till then, goodbye.